LG SDV. Imagine a car that's not just a mode of transportation, but an extension of your digital life. LG's SDV technology allows for complete customization through software. Change the interior lighting to match your mood, adjust the climate control with a tap, or access your favorite entertainment on the fly, all through a user-friendly interface. But SDVs aren't just about entertainment, they're about safety and performance too. Software updates can continuously improve the car's driving dynamics, enhance safety features, and unlock new functionalities over time. It's like having a car that constantly gets better. LG's SDV technology is at the forefront of automotive innovation. It's a future where cars are personalized, adaptable, and constantly evolving. So, are you ready to experience the future of driving with LG SDVs? Stay tuned to see how this exciting technology will revolutionize the way we travel. Hydra. Calling all filmmakers and videographers on the go. Do you dream of capturing professional-looking car footage but struggle with bulky equipment? Then say hello to the Hydra arm motorized slider, the ultimate car mounting system for dynamic and smooth shots. The Hydra arm is a game-changer for filming on the move. Its lightweight and modular design makes it easy to transport and set up in minutes. The built-in shock-absorbing arm ensures smooth and stable footage, even on rough roads. And the motorized slider allows for precise camera movements, adding a touch of cinematic flair to your car videos. But the Hydra arm isn't just about stability, it's about versatility too. The adjustable arm and motorized slider offer a wide range of creative possibilities, capture dramatic following shots, stunning close-ups of the car's details, or establish breathtaking landscapes, all with a single system. The Hydra arm motorized slider is more than just a car mounting system. It's a mobile filmmaking powerhouse. It's the perfect tool for capturing professional-looking car footage, no matter your experience level. So ditch the shaky handheld shots and elevate your car videography with the Hydra arm, motorized slider, Sanctum Seat ventilation system. Do you dread summer road trips because your car seat feels like a furnace? Imagine cruising down the highway in cool comfort, no matter the temperature. Well, say goodbye to sweaty rides with the Sanctum Seat ventilation system. The Sanctum system is a universal solution for keeping you cool and comfortable on the go. It features a breathable air distribution pad that easily fits under your existing seat upholstery. This pad connects to a compact control unit, allowing you to adjust the cooling level with the touch of a button. And the best part? The Sanctum system works with most vehicles that have a 12-volt power source. But the Sanctum system isn't just about comfort. It's about health, too. Staying cool while driving can help improve focus, reduce fatigue, and make your journey more enjoyable for everyone. So, ditch the uncomfortable, sweaty rides and enjoy the cool comfort you deserve. The Sanctum Seat ventilation system is a simple and affordable way to transform your hot car seats into cool oases. Smitty Bilt Atlas door. Steps. Lugging gear or cargo up there can be a real pain, especially for shorter folks. Well, there's a simple solution. The Smitty Bilt Atlas door. Steps. These ingenious steps attach directly to your Jeep's door hinges, providing a solid and secure platform to access your roof rack. Constructed from tough 1/8-inch steel, the Atlas door steps can handle whatever weight you throw at them, and the clear zinc step surface provides excellent grip, even in wet or muddy conditions. But the best part is the convenience. No more awkward climbing or balancing acts. Simply open the door, step onto the Atlas doorstep, and you're on your way to loading or unloading your roof rack with ease. These steps are a lifesaver for anyone who uses their Jeep's full cargo potential. The Smitty Bilt Atlas door steps are a must-have accessory for any Jeep Wrangler owner. They're easy to install, incredibly durable, and make accessing your roof rack a breeze. Ditch the struggle and upgrade your Jeep's functionality with the Smitty Bilt Atlas door steps. NIO ET Skydrive. Ever wish your car could handle any bump, turn, or pothole with ease? Well, the future is here with the NIO ET9 and its revolutionary Skyride suspension system. Unlike regular cars, the ET9 features independent hydraulic pumps for each wheel. This allows the Skyride system to constantly adjust the height and position of the car in real time. Imagine driving over speed bumps without feeling a thing, or taking on rough terrain with total confidence. But Skyride isn't just about comfort. It's about safety too. This innovative system ensures a smooth and stable ride for your passengers, no matter the road conditions. And with adjustable settings, you can find the perfect balance between comfort and handling for any situation. The NIO ET Skyride is more than just a suspension system. It's a glimpse into the future of driving. It's a future of smooth rides, enhanced comfort, and unparalleled control. Built Right Industries Bedside Rack System. Do you love hitting the trails or tackling projects but hate dealing with a messy truck bed? Scrambling for tools and gear can be a real pain. Well, say goodbye to truck bed chaos with the Built Right Industries Bedside Rack System. Designed for Ford, Ram, and Jeep trucks, this system utilizes the existing factory mounting points, so no drilling or modifications are needed. Installation is a breeze, and the heavy-duty steel construction ensures these racks can handle whatever you throw at them. But the best part is the organization. These racks feature universal slots and MOLLE-compatible panels, allowing for ultimate customization with straps, pouches, and hooks. Keep your tools secured, recovery gear easily accessible, and maximize your truck bed space. The Built Right Industries Bedside Rack System isn't just a storage solution. It's a lifesaver for any truck owner who wants to stay organized and efficient. Spend less time digging for gear and more time enjoying the adventure. Head over to Built Right Industries online or to your local auto parts store to find the perfect bedside rack system for your truck. Nordtrack, the Mahindra Roxor with the Nordtrack system, is here to transform your off-road experience. The Nordtrack system is a revolutionary set of tracks designed specifically for the Mahindra Roxor. These lightweight yet heavy-duty tracks provide superior traction and control, allowing you to tackle snow, mud, sand, and even rocky terrain with confidence. Installation is a breeze, and the tracks can be easily removed when you're ready to hit the pavement again. But the fun doesn't stop there. The Roxor with Nordtrack is perfect for family adventures too. The tracks provide a smooth and comfortable ride even on the most challenging terrain. So, explore hidden trails, conquer winter wonderlands, and create lasting memories with your loved ones. The Mahindra Roxor with the Nordtrack system isn't just an off-road upgrade. It's an invitation to adventure. Experience the thrill of the outdoors like never before. Gear up, get dirty, and conquer any terrain with the Mahindra Roxor and Nordtrack system. EV Solar Kits. Tesla owners, rejoice. Do you dream of powering your electric car with clean, renewable energy? Well, the future is here with EV Solar Kits. These innovative systems allow you to charge your Tesla directly from the sun, reducing your reliance on the grid and shrinking your carbon footprint. EV Solar Kits offer a variety of options to fit your needs and budget. Whether you're looking for a simple roof-mounted system or a comprehensive setup with a home energy storage battery, there's a kit for you. And the best part? Many kits are designed for DIY installation, saving you money on professional setup costs. But EV solar kits aren't just about saving money on electricity bills. They're about taking control of your energy independence. Imagine monitoring your solar energy production and Tesla's charging status, all from a convenient smartphone app. It's a seamless and empowering way to experience the future of sustainable transportation. EV solar kits are more than just charging equipment. They're a statement. They're a commitment to a cleaner future and a smarter way to power your electric vehicle. Shocker Hitch truck owners with trailers, feeling the bumps, that jarring connection between your truck and trailer can make towing a real pain. It's tough on your equipment, your cargo, and let's be honest, your back. Well, say goodbye to the trailer tango with the Shocker Hitch shock-absorbing cushion hitch and coupler. The Shocker Hitch is a revolutionary solution that absorbs the jerking and road shock commonly experienced when towing trailers. It features a unique design with an industrial-strength airbag and cushioned bump stops. These work together to dampen the impact of bumps and road irregularities, creating a smoother and safer ride for your truck, trailer, and everything you're hauling. But the benefits don't stop there. The Shocker Hitch can also help reduce wear and tear on your truck and trailer by minimizing the harsh impacts. And let's not forget about your cargo. That expensive furniture or delicate equipment will thank you for the gentler ride. The Shocker Hitch is more than just a comfort upgrade. It's a towing essential. It's easy to install on most trailers, and comes in various weight capacities to handle your specific hauling needs. So, ditch the white-knuckle towing experience and upgrade to a smoother, safer ride with the Shocker Hitch shock, absorbing cushion hitch and coupler. Try Homy Car folding bed. Do you dream of exploring the outdoors but struggle with limited sleeping space in your car? Those uncomfortable nights on the road can leave you feeling sore and grumpy. Well, ditch the cramped car sleeps and upgrade your adventures with the Homy Car folding bed. The Homy is a genius solution that transforms your car's back seat into a comfortable and supportive bed. Made with high-density foam and a breathable cover, the mattress provides a restful sleep experience no matter where your journey takes you. The adjustable legs allow you to customize the bed height for optimal comfort in various car models. And the best part? Installation is a breeze. The Homy folds compactly for storage and unfolds easily when you're ready to hit the hay. But the Homy isn't just about comfort, it's about versatility too. This handy bed is perfect for camping trips, road trips, stargazing adventures, or even creating a cozy relaxation space at a sporting event. No more struggling with bulky tents or uncomfortable air mattresses. The Homy provides a convenient and comfortable sleep solution on the go. The Homy Car folding bed is more than just a car accessory. It's an invitation to adventure. It opens up a world of possibilities for comfortable and convenient sleep wherever your travels take you. Wow! That was a mind-blowing exploration of inventions that will take your car to a new level. These features are truly the future of driving. Let us know in the comments below which innovations left you most excited. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gearhead goodness. We'll keep you in the loop on all the hottest automotive advancements. Until next time, happy driving.